Hello my students, how are you? Today we'll explain lessons 6 and 7, Associative Property of Multiplication, Applying Patterns in Multiplication. We know some, just like 2 divided by 5 equal 10, and we have 4 times 25 equal 100, and also 8 times 125 equal 1000. We can use numbers when you find the product between 3 and 2 and 5. 2 times 5 equal 10 or 93. We can using the first property here, 2 times 5 times 93. We call this properties as commutative. First step, commutative properties. Commutative property. And also associative property, right? 2 times 5 times 93. Associative property. 2 times 5 10, 10 times 93 equal 930. So we used here two properties, commutative and associative property, to find the result. Now we will use this property to find the result about multiplication. A lot of examples like this. We have 6 times 2 times 5 equals 6 times 2 times 5. We used here associative properties because he replaced the place of the parentheses or brackets. Okay, solution about this question. Now we will solve question here, also solution about steps. So check here number 1, 4 times 2 times 6. Find the result by product. We can write here letter E. Letter E, we have 4 times 2 in brackets, product by 6. 4 times 2 equal 8, 8 times 6 equal 48. Next question, letter P. 5 product by 5 times 2 equal 5 product by 10. The result will be 50. Okay, letter C. 8 times 5 times 2 equal. We can write 8 product by 5 times 2 in brackets, because 8 times 5 equal 10. Then the result will be 80. Question letter D. 3 times 2 times 8. We can put brackets here. 3 times 2 6, 6 times 8 equal 48. Okay, it's easy question to find the result because small numbers here. Now we will take a number contains of 3 digits or 2 digits to find the result like this. 4 times 40 equal, we know 40 is 4 times 10. Then we know 4 times 4 equals 16. Then also I can write here 16 product by 10. The result will be 160. So we must put 0 here, and 4 times 4 equals 16. Next question, 5 product by 500. We can put double 0 here, and 5 times 5 25. The result will be 2500. Or you can write 5 product by 5 by 100. 5 times 5 25 times 100 equal 25 product 100, 2500. Letter C. 2 times 8 thousandths. 2 times 8 16, and then write 30 16 thousandths. Next example. We can find the number here, missing number, about 25 times 5 times 6 equal 25 times 5 times 6, write 5 here. And 2 times 6 times 5 equal 2 times 6 times 5, write 5 here. 5 times 14 times 2 equal 5 times 2 times 14, write 2 here in the space. Solve each problem. 2 times 3 6, 6 times 4 equal 24. 2 times 3 times 4, 3 times 4 12, 2 times 12 equal 24. 6 times 2 3, 2 times 6 12, 12 times 3 equal 36. 6 times 5, 5 times 6 30, 30 times 8 equal what? We can write 8 here, and product by 6 times 5 30. write 0, and 3 times 8 equal 24. Then the result will be 240. Next question, 3 times 2 times 5. 3 times 2, we can put the brackets here, so 2, 6. 6 times 5 equal 30. Then the answer here will be 30. Next question, 2 times 9 times 3. We can replace time 2 times 3 in brackets times 9. 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 9 equal 54. 4 times 3 times 7. We know 3 times 4 equal 12. 12 times 7 equal 84. Next question. 2 times 5 times 8. We can put brackets here. About 2 times 5, 10. 10 times 8 equal 80. Next question. 3 product by 3 product by 7. 3 times 3, 9. 9 times 7 equals 63. Next question. With parentheses to show way. We can write here 5 times 4 in parentheses and then product by 2. 4 times 5 equal 20. 20 times 2. Then the answer here would be 40. 3 times 6 times 2. We can put brackets here about 2 numbers. 3 times 6, 18. 18 times 2. 2 times 8, 16. 6 and carry up 1. 1 times 2, 2 plus 1 equal 3. The result will be 36. 2 times 3 times 4 equal, we can put brackets here, 2 times 3, 6. 6 times 4 equal 24. The result will be 24. 8 times 5 times 10. 8 times 5, 40. 40 times 10, we must put 0 and 0, and 1 times 4, 4, then the result will be 400. Complete. 30 equal 3 tenths divided by 10. 30 equal 3 tenths. Okay, write 3 here. Next question. 160 equal space tenths. We can divide it by 10. The result will be 16. Next question. 120 equal 12 tenths. Also can divide it by 10. And 600 equals 6 hundredths divided by 100. So the result here will be 2000 equal 2000. So write 2 here. And the missing number about this number, 40 equal 10 times 4. Write 4 here. 20 equal 10 times 2. 70 equal 10 times 7. 300 equal 100 times 3. And 70 equal 10 times 7. Okay, we can write 7 here in the space. Next example, 50 equal 10 times 5, or 90 equal 10 times 9. Okay, goodbye.